Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint a Tapas voucher. To begin, you'll need to access a dedicated restaurant voucher system, like Tableau, which helps you manage and sell your gift offerings efficiently. The very first step is to ensure you have a secure payment gateway configured. This crucial setup, often involving a service such as Stripe, usually takes only about 5 to 10 minutes to complete, allowing you to process payments smoothly. Once your payment system is ready, you can move on to designing your voucher. Simply click the Add New Voucher button in your system. Here, you'll personalize it with a unique name, a specific monetary value, and a clear description of what the voucher offers. Don't forget to set an expiration date. Many vouchers are valid for 12 months from the date of purchase, providing ample time for redemption. After designing your voucher, the next step is to activate it. Simply set the voucher to active within your system to make it available for purchase. You can then make these vouchers accessible online through a dedicated voucher widget on your restaurant's website. Customers can easily purchase them by adding their desired quantity to a cart and proceeding through a secure checkout, entering their card details to finalize the transaction. Upon successful purchase, the vouchers are automatically delivered via email to both the sender and the intended recipient. Each digital voucher will contain a unique code, which the recipient can use for easy redemption at your restaurant. For your operational efficiency, restaurant management can easily track the status of each voucher, allowing you to see if it has been used or remains unused, ensuring smooth accounting and customer service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.